Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with the final unboxing of the pieces that I purchased from the Louis Vuitton Remix collection. If you're new here, the way that I do my unboxings is that I talk about the collection, what drew me to it, a little history, and anything noteworthy about the shopping process or any important information or details that I feel is important for you to know. Then I do the unboxing and then I come back to share my review and final thoughts about the bag. Now I'm not going to go too much into the collection, the history, what drew me to it, because I've covered that in my previous videos, but I will just share that I was so excited about this collection and the denim pieces in particular because they just have a special place in my heart and my memory. I grew up in the 2000s and that's when I really started to discover luxury fashion and having a desire for owning some of these amazing pieces, falling in love with these pieces. But at the time I was a teenager, couldn't afford it. So now that I'm older, I seek out those discontinued vintage pieces because I want the things that I couldn't afford when I was younger, and also I enjoy having pieces that are a little different, that are a little bit unusual, that not everyone has. And that is why when I saw the Remix collection and all these denim pieces that I loved way back when, I was immediately intrigued and knew that I had to pick up one or two things. I wound up picking up 3 things from the Remix collection and another thing that I will cover in an upcoming video, so make sure to subscribe because I have a feeling you won't want to miss that one. And actually that's the perfect opportunity for me to introduce myself. If you're new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle creator. I cover everything from fashion to beauty, DIY projects, home decor, luxury, family travel, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. So I pre-ordered the Sunset bag. That one to me was the one that I needed to have in my collection. I've always wanted the original bag, the mini pleaty, and so when I saw the Sunset, I just knew that I had to buy it. So I pre-ordered that one, and then after the launch of the collection, I kept thinking about the Alma BB. I wanted it originally in that beautiful purple color, but that was only available in the Nano Alma, so I looked at the Alma BBs and really loved that sky blue color, so that's the one that I purchased. I purchased it over the phone, but had both pieces delivered to the flagship 5th Avenue store here in New York City because I was away for the holidays. So when I went to the store to pick up those 2 bags, I met a wonderful sales associate named Tina. She is great. She's really wonderful. So if you don't have an SA or want to check out the store, the flagship store in New York City, definitely ask for Tina. She was wonderful. So while I was there, I was talking to Tina and I had this bag in the back of my mind. I knew it was going to be popular. I imagined that it was going to sell out, but I didn't. I had 2 bags and I really wasn't seriously looking at it, but I just had to ask. Of course I had to ask, of course. So I asked Tina, do you have this bag? And so she looked in her phone and said, ooh, actually we only have one and it's that one that's on display. That's the only one we have, that's the last one. And when you tell me this is the last one, I get itchy. Heart palpitates, I get itchy, and I'm like, I need to see it. So I said, can I please see it? And she said, yes, of course. She took it out for me, she showed it for me. It's beautiful. Oh, I want to mention this. It was raining the day that I picked it up, and I had my puffer coat, and obviously, even though I had an umbrella, you still get wet. She said, you should try it on. So I put it on over my coat, I went to the mirror, and immediately it hit. I was like, oh my God, I'm wet, and this is vachetta leather. And so I took it off, and I was like, oh my God, I got it wet. And she said, oh, it's no problem, it'll just dry. So apparently the vachetta leather now isn't as delicate as it used to be. Before, you would get watermarks on the vachetta leather, and they're there to stay. About the vernis, there used to be a lot of color transfer, and I know this. I have an Alma in a light color in the vernis leather, and I wore it with jeans, and of course the color transfer. However, over the years, that blue has disappeared. It's gone now. So that's great for my old bag, but now with the newer versions, I'm just so thankful that apparently these are not as delicate as they once were, both the vachetta leather and the vernis leather. Let's get back to this bag. I saw it. She told me it was the last one. I tried it on, I looked at it, and I just could not walk away from the last one that they had at the store. So without further ado, here is the Louis Vuitton Venice Backpack. here she is. She is so cute. What I like about this version versus the old version, the original backpack, is that they have koala clips on these. Before, it used to be a buckle, so you had to, you know, unbuckle it to open it. And this is just much easier and faster to open up. So I like the koala clip. Comes with a D-ring in the back and then adjustable straps. You can't detach these straps so that you can wear them in multiple ways, like the Palm Springs mini backpack. This updated version comes with studded straps. The studs say Louis Vuitton, which is, I mean, beautiful touch. These bags are, details are beautiful. Comes with these cute little pockets. They are small. I think you can fit AirPods in here. I don't know because I don't own any. Because of my piercings, I don't wear AirPods, but I think you can. You could maybe put a small hand sanitizer in here. You could, what else can you put here? Candy. You know, we all need a little sugar pick-me-up every once in a while. So it's quite small, but you know, it is what it is. The vachetta leather is beautiful. Here she is opened up. We have these clips here to close it. And these go across the sides. So that's what it looks like completely opened up. It's really roomy, even though it's a small backpack. It's really roomy. It's spacious. You can fit a ton in here. There is a back pocket, all denim interior. And then you have the leather label on it, Louis Vuitton and made in France. It's scrunchy, which I like. That is what I loved about the original denim pieces. This, you know, soft, slouchy kind of feel to them. They have come out in this collection with sturdier, structured pieces. And if you like that, that's great. But I just like the slouch and the softness of these. Like I said, I have a love for the denim pieces from the 2000s, so when I saw this, of course I was gonna like it. It's my taste, it's my style. I like having cute little backpacks. I like backpacks. I love backpacks. And it's like really great quality. The denim is really sturdy. I love her so much. And right now I'm in a dilemma because I don't know if I want or should keep all three. I'm contemplating returning the Alma BB, not for any fault of the Alma. Sorry, Alma, it's not your fault. It's not you, it's me. I think she's a beautiful bag. I think it's a beautiful color. It's definitely a unique bag that comes with that hair clip and extra little gold chain. It is beautiful. It would be something completely different for my collection. It'd be a great bag for the spring and summer. I just wasn't prepared to buy so many bags this month. I want to be more thoughtful about the purchases that I make because these are not inexpensive bags. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have any opinions? Let me know what you think about this bag and the collection in general. Did you pick anything up? Let me know in the comment section below. Feel free to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and share it if you enjoyed it, if you found it useful. It really helps me out here on YouTube, so I really do appreciate it. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again. Stay tuned.